like I keep saying, and like we will keep saying, for us, what happened in Edo was a rape of democracy, a rape of the people's choice. It was a brazen disregard for what democracy means, connotes, stands for. A brazen, it was impunity taken to the highest level. What happened in Edo? And now, we didn't even get, as at the time, because on this Edo matter, if we are going to clean up the 2027 general elections, if we are going to have a little semblance of sanity in the electoral system in 2027, we must make sure that every culprit, every person who perpetrated evil in Edo is arrested and prosecuted to the full length of the law. How do you manipulate the results of elections? How do people vote for A and you think you have the powers to say it is B that must be recorded? How do we look at the election results from the polling unit and we are looking at what is uploaded on the IRF and they do not match? Why are people this bold? What gives them the audacity to think that this particular action is something they can do and go scot-free? They might have done it in the past, but we are standing that this Edo election, whatever it would take. Let me be clear now. I'm on TV. We have written to the police. We have written to INEC itself to bring out the staff that were identified to have carried out this evil. We are writing to the ICPC. We have held a world press conference on this matter. Even if it takes us going to the United Nations to submit names of these people, going to each embassy to ask that these people have visa bans on their names, we will do it. If Edo people voted for Monday Okpebolo, fine and good. We want to see the result. But that is not every single civil society group, election monitoring group that went to Edo. Go and read their report. The brazenness of these people. So if they think it's going to stand, it will not stand. We are not just, anyway, we long the long battle. As a civil society group, we love that long battle. If it takes 1 year, as long as you manipulated that result in Edo, as you participated in the fraud that was the Edo election,